I have a question for y'all. What is the bottom of the earth? Now, I came up with this question back when the is water wet thing existed. And I came up with an answer. The center of the earth is the bottom. I know that sounds crazy. Now let me explain why though. So the first step is we have to identify what is a bottom of something. According to my Google results, the bottom of something is the lowest point. And I looked up the lowest point of something and it said it was the furthest from the top, the downside, or the bottom. So not super helpful. So I had to come up with my own definition, and I think you would agree with my definition. Which takes us to space. In space, there's no up or down, top or bottom. What changed? That's right, gravity. Gravity determines the top or bottom. This is the bottom of my hand. This is the bottom of my hand. Whatever side is closest to the central pulling force of gravity is the bottom. And the closest thing to the central pulling force of gravity is the center of the earth. Now, that should close the case. Book closed. But I know some of you are not convinced. So I'll go deeper into it. Now, top of mountain, furthest thing from the top is the bottom. Well, if you go to the center of the earth, you're on the crust, the top layer of the earth, go to the center, you dig all that way down with your little shovel. Once you hit the center, you can only go up from there. Which, once you hit bottom, the only place to go is up. And since you can only go up from the center, it must be the bottom. Now, I think a lot of you think my logic is sound, I hope. If not, leave a comment down below why I'm wrong and an idiot. If I'm right, share this or tell your friends, because I think it's cool, and you'll all think it's cool because you listened to me for the past yada yadas. Prove me wrong, Neil Degrasse Tyson. I dare you. Or to say I'm right. I'd actually rather you say I'm right.